Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Luna. In this North American Bank series, we've already covered opening an account, depositing and withdrawing money, sending a wire transfer, applying for a credit card, and even asking about bank fees.
Yeah, we've gone through a lot of useful steps already. But today's topic is a little different. It's not about something you plan. It's about something that suddenly happens.
Exactly. Losing your bank card. It feels stressful the moment you realize it's gone, right?
Totally. Your first thought might be, what if someone uses it? But don't worry. Banks in North America deal with this all the time, and they have clear steps.
The key is calling your bank right away. Once you report it, they'll block the card so no one else can use it.
And in this episode, we'll practice the phrases you need, step by step, so you'll know exactly what to say when you call.
All right, let's get started with the first step, making the call to the bank.
So let's start with the call. You pick up the phone and reach your bank.
The representative will probably say, "How can I help you today?"
You can answer, I lost my card. I need to report it.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. I lost my card.
They might ask, is it a debit card or a credit card?
You can reply, "It's my debit card."
Or, it's my credit card.
Let's practice repeat after us. It's my debit card.
Next, they may ask, when did you lose it?
You can say, "I lost it today," or "I noticed it was gone yesterday."
Good. Once you've answered these first questions, the bank knows what to do next.
All right, let's move on to explaining the situation clearly.
Now, the bank needs to know what exactly happened. Keep it short and simple.
For example, you can say, "I used my card at the grocery store and later I couldn't find it."
Or, I think I left it in the taxi.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. I think I left it in the taxi.
If you really don't know, just say, I don't know where I lost it, but it's missing.
The representative might ask, "Did you see any charges you don't recognize?"
If yes, say, yes, there's a transaction I don't remember.
If no, you can say, "Not yet, but I want to make sure my account is safe."
Let's practice repeat after us. Not yet, but I want to make sure my account is safe.
Great. Once the situation is clear, they will move on to confirming your details.
Once the bank understands the situation, they'll need to confirm your personal info.
The rep may ask, "Can I have your full name?"
You can reply, my name is Henry Lee.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. My name is Henry Lee.
Next, they might ask, what is your address?
You can say, "My address is 25 Main Street, Toronto."
Sometimes they'll ask for your date of birth. You can answer January 5th, 1990.
Let's practice repeat after us. January 5th, 1990.
If they ask for your account number or last four digits, just give it.
And if you don't have it handy, you can say, "Sorry, I don't have it right now."
Once they confirm who you are, the next step is blocking your card.
After confirming your details, the rep will usually say, "I'll block your card immediately."
You can reply, thank you, please block it now.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. Please block it now.
If you want to double check, you can ask, Is the card already blocked?
The rep may confirm, yes, no one can use it anymore.
Sometimes they'll add, any new charges will be declined.
That should make you feel safer. You can even say, that makes me feel better.
Let's practice repeat after us. That makes me feel better.
Once the card is blocked, you can relax a little, knowing it's safe.
Now the next step is asking for a replacement card.
Once your card is blocked, the bank will talk about giving you a new one. The rep might say, we'll mail you a replacement card.
You can ask, how long will it take?
Usually, they'll say 5 to 7 business days.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. How long will it take?
If you don't want to wait, you can ask, can I pick it up at the branch?
Some banks even offer express delivery. You can ask, is there a faster option?
Let's practice repeat after us. Is there a faster option?
Sometimes express delivery comes with a small fee, so be ready for that.
All right. Once you know how to get your new card, the next step is checking recent transactions.
After the new card is arranged, the rep will usually check your account activity.
They might say, let's go over your recent transactions.
You can ask, can you check my recent charges?
Shadowing time? Repeat after us. Can you check my recent charges?
If they mention something you don't recognize, you can say, I didn't make that purchase.
That's a clear way to tell them it's fraud.
Let's practice repeat after us. I didn't make that purchase.
If the charges are yours, just say, yes, that was me.
Sometimes banks notice small test charges, like $1 or $2. Those are signs someone tried the card.
So, listening carefully and confirming each transaction is really important.
Once that's done, you'll know your account is safe and what to do next.
So your card is blocked, and you're waiting for the new one. You might wonder, how do I pay for things now?
Good question. You can ask the bank, can I still use online banking?
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. Can I still use online banking?
Usually the answer is yes. You can send e-transfers and pay bills online.
If you need cash, you can ask, can I withdraw money at the branch with my ID?
Let's practice repeat after us. Can I withdraw money at the branch with my ID?
Most banks will allow it if you bring your passport or driver's license.
Some banks even issue a temporary card at the branch. It depends on their policy.
So while you wait, you still have ways to manage your money.
Next, let's look at what to expect with follow-up and timelines.
After everything is done, the bank usually gives you a summary.
They might say, your card is blocked and your new card will arrive in 5 to 7 business days.
You can reply, thank you, I'll watch for it in the mail.
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. I'll watch for it in the mail.
If you need more details, you can ask, will I get a tracking number?
Let's practice repeat after us. Will I get a tracking number?
If you're traveling soon, don't be shy to say, I'm leaving soon. Can you speed it up?
Most banks will try to help if it's urgent.
All right. Once you know the timeline, you're ready for the final review and challenge.
Okay, let's wrap things up. Today we learned how to handle losing a bank card.
Yeah, we practiced calling the bank, confirming your info, blocking the card, getting a new one, checking charges, and even what to do while you wait.
Let's do a quick role play. Think of it as a little test to see how much you remember. I'll be the customer, and Luna will be the bank rep.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Hi, I lost my debit card. Can you block it?
Yes, it's blocked. A replacement card will arrive in 5 business days.
Thanks. Will I still be able to withdraw cash at the branch?
Yes, just bring your ID.
Perfect. That makes me feel safe.
Great. Now, here are your 3 challenge questions. 1. What should you say first when you call the bank?
2. How do you tell the bank about a transaction you don't recognize?
And 3. What can you ask if you're traveling soon and need your card faster?
If you can answer these, you've got this.
Thanks for practicing with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life banking English.
See you next time on Speak Easy English.